Hello everyone, I'm Brandon with Lenovo and I'm here today with the ThinkStation E32 Tower Workstation. Today we are going to be replacing the rear fan assembly. This process will take about 15 minutes and it should be easy enough for anyone to do. There are no tools required, but a pair of needle nose pliers might come in handy. Before we continue, we need to make sure that we are protected against electrostatic discharge or ESD. Make sure to shut down the computer and disconnect all cables and accessories from the system. For further information, watch our Understanding Electrostatic Discharge video by clicking the link in the description. And now that we're ready, let's get started. Before removing the computer cover, we must first remove 2 thumb screws. Then we're going to press the release button, slide the cover towards the rear of the system, and remove it. Next we're going to remove the front bezel, but first we have to disconnect the cable from the system board. Next we're going to press outward on the 3 clips to release them. Then we're going to swing the front bezel open like a door, pull the cable through the hole in the chassis, and remove the front bezel. In order to remove the rear fan assembly, we must first disconnect the fan cable from the system board. Now we're going to reach into the system and hold the rear fan while we stretch the rubber grommets until they fit through the holes in the chassis. I'm using a pair of needle nose pliers, but you can use your fingers if you need to. Then we're going to remove the fan from the chassis. Here we have our replacement rear fan assembly. Now we're going to place the fan into the chassis using the rubber grommets and holes for alignment. Then we're going to stretch the grommets until they're thin enough to fit through the holes in the chassis. Now we're going to connect the fan cable to the system board. Now we're going to feed the cable through the hole in the chassis. And we want to assure that the hinges on the bezel are aligned with the holes in the chassis. Once we have those lined up, we can close the front bezel like a door and apply pressure until the clips lock it into place. Now we're going to connect the cable to the system board. When replacing the cover, it is important that the tabs on the inside of the cover line up with the holes in the chassis. Then once you have those lined up, you just slide the cover towards the front of the system. Now we're going to replace 2 thumb screws.